Now we will discuss if you have been given the wrong value of rank correlation, and from there you have to calculate the right value of the rank correlation. So how you can solve that? Now I have made this question very simpler. It was written that coefficient of rank correlation. So rank correlation I have discussed with you. It is written like this. It is 0.8 for marks of 10 students. So n is 10 in the subject physics and chemistry. So there are two subjects, like you have seen X and Y series. In this question, physics and chemistry are two subjects, and this rank correlation has been found to be 0.8. Again, it is mentioned that it was later discovered that difference in the rank in two subjects obtained by one of the students was wrongly taken to be 7 while it was actually 9. So our wrong item has been taken to be 7 while the correct item is 9. Then you have been told to calculate the correct value of coefficient of rank correlation. So how we will calculate the coefficient of rank correlation correctly? You have seen that the formula, simple formula for calculating the rank correlation is this: 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n cube minus n. So now we have rank correlation. We will put its value 0.8 is equals to 1 minus, we do not have sigma d square, so I am putting it like that. We have n, so we can put it like that, 10 cube minus 10. So now we can solve this further. So you can say 0.8 is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by 990. Correct? So what else we can do? We can take this 1 on the other side, or we can take this entire. I am taking 6 sigma d square upon 990 on the other side, and this 0.8 will come on this side. So I will be getting 0.2 after deducting this. So after that I can say sigma d square, this 990 will go on the other side. It will be 0.2 into 990. So 0.2 into 990 comes out to be 198. So from here you can say it will be 198 divided by 6. So 198 divided by 6 will give you the value 33. So we have got sigma d square now, but we know that this is our incorrect, or you can say this is a wrong sigma d square, 33. Now from here we will calculate correct sigma d square. Let's see how. Now we have calculated sigma d square, which is incorrect. That comes out to be 33. But from here we want to calculate correct sigma d square. So this is incorrect. If from here I want to calculate correct sigma d square, what will I do? I will deduct the incorrect item, my wrong item, which has been given in the question to be 7, and I will add correct item, but by squaring them, because here it is d square. So wrong item with the square will be deducted and right item with the square will be added. So what we will do is 33 minus 49 plus 81. It comes out to be 65. Now we have reached at correct sigma d square. Now again we will put this formula, rank correlation, which was same. There will be no change in the n, because we know the n is going to be same. One item is wrong, one is right, so n will not change. So let's put the right values over here. Sigma d square we have calculated 65, n cube minus n, 10 cube minus 10. So let's solve this. So it comes out to be 1 minus 6 into 65 is 390, and 10 cube minus 10 is going to give you the value 990. So here you can either divide or you can take LCM. So if I am taking LCM, it will be like this. It comes out to be 600 divided by 990. So finally you will get the correct value of rank correlation, that is 0.606. So whenever you have been given the wrong value of the rank correlation, you can calculate the right value in this way.